I'm here at the Hillsdale County Fair still, and I'm hanging out with Harley. How you doing, Harley?
I'm doing great.
That's awesome. Now, Harley is something of a professional Mistig ticket. What would we call it?
Receiver?
Ticket putter-inner.
Yeah.
So
yeah, we put Mystic
they
tickets
put in
in.
Mistig tickets all the time. Now, can you send a special message to the people you want to talk to right now, or somebody you want to reach? Can you let them know?
The customers.
Okay, let them know.
Leave the flags in the ground till the job is done.
Thanks for watching Mistigs. What's that 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Mistig 811 before you dig.